Hello and welcome to a new video, and technically the first proper video of my channel. Today we're going to start restoring this Series 2 RS Turbo. The customers mostly stripped it, but we're going to sort of strip the rest of it. On the face of it, it actually looks pretty good, but let me show you exactly what it looks like now. As you can see on the face of it, she looks pretty good. Standard RS Turbo, but look a little bit closer, you can just about see standard rot on the bumper mounts. There is rot on the rear arches, I've felt it, but you look inside, standard inner seals, both sides, a little bit on the floor pans. So as you can see, looks quite tidy at the minute, but I do know there's some more. You see the inner seals, the outer seals. I do know the rear arches are gone, so let's get it stripped down and we'll come back. Right, okay, so I've got the escort stripped down pretty much as far as I want to be. There might be a couple of bits I take off here and there as I go through, but for now I'm happy. I can sort of really crack on with it. It's pretty much as I expected, standard sort of inner seals, outer seals. The only nasty that I've found that I wasn't expecting is a little bit on the bulkhead. Let's take a closer look. Okay, you can see here, standard fuse box. Somebody's fuse box holder. Somebody's tried to lash it up before with some fiberglass, and that's a mess. I've got to clean all that back. I kind of expected that. I knew there was water going in. What I didn't expect was a little bit just there. It's an unusual place to go, but it's not the end of the world. The battery tray has been done before quite badly, but that'll get redone. And have a look from the other side. You can see it is quite bad. A lot of water has come in, so we need to address that. But that's where you can see the original rust, and then somebody just plated straight over the battery tray. But the rest of it's not too bad. There's a small hole there that's been plated over underneath badly before, so it'll be easy enough to come out, and then this little bit here, but the rest of it's quite solid. Like even the front of the inner seal here is not too bad. It's only when you get to the back you can start seeing it's quite bad, but I've seen a lot worse. This is all still fairly solid and attached. It wants redoing, but it's not too bad. And then you can see somebody's just stuck on a little bit of plate before previously, just standard holes. But I've got a new outer seal for this, got a complete new arch. Again, this is not too bad. I've got a complete outer arch and I'll repair the inner arch. All the back end's pretty good. A little bit there. This arch is the same. This side is exactly the same. Somebody's just stuck a plate on. And then the standard. Again, outer seal. Inner seal, a little bit of the floor pan. And then a couple of little bits. Exactly the same there. Plate, and then that's a closer look at the underneath of the battery tray. The only other thing that really needs doing, again, look, we've got the battery tray where somebody just lashed it in. A couple of little bits on the wings. It's exactly the same the other side, and then just the front bumper mounts. Bumper mounts are gone, but the cross member is actually pretty good. Once cleaning up this side, wants a little bit of welding the radiator. bolt can clean off, but it's still fairly solid. So that'll just want a small plate put in there, and then again, that there. But other than that, it's pretty clean and solid. So there we have it. That's the tear down of the Escort done. Going to leave it here for part 1, and then in part 2 we'll start actually putting some nice clean metal back in, and we'll go through the process of each little bit. If you like this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. When you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified of every video that comes up. Please follow me on social media. Updates on this are sort of daily. All the links are in the description and on the end screen. Also, please consider supporting me on Patreon. It really does help me out, sort of just do better work, you know, get better premises and stuff like that eventually. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye.